Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Prima Donna Espresso machine. Now this machine was here because it had no flow, grind to find error. The water steam outlet was leaking as soon as you turn it on, and as well as the water one nozzle. It was very easy to, it was pretty hard to get into it, so we pretty much replaced it. This is the older one, and this is the newer one in here, as well as this is the older coupling carafe that was inside here, so we replaced that one. And for the steam that was coming out in here as soon as you started out, it was actually it was two solenoid bulbs. This one that was on the front, as well as another one that should be around here, but there's another one that goes around here that actually was letting the steam go through here, and that was basically the main problem. So we also did a tune-up on this machine. It was a lot of work with this machine. We did a tune-up, we replaced the infuser, descaled the machine, pretty much run a lot of water on it, and so now let's test it out. Start with just one espresso. I got it. Not hot water, espresso. Okay, let's do one coffee then. We'll have to manually stop it since a coffee would just completely be over 2 ounces. I actually got espresso. Good water flow, good color. It needs to be a little bit more adjusted since this is in the middle, so we can go a little bit finer, but right now it's perfect. So now let's test again the hot water. And as you can see, really good water flow and good temperature, and the steamer. Let me just throw this water. Let's see. You can see. It will take a little bit since it needs to build up some pressure in there. Strong enough, hot enough. It's working perfectly fine. Let's just stop it a little bit and get and for this one, it's so easy to just put it in there. It will just get in there way better than this one, so the machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.